Hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a portfolio activation specialist from the Cisco Customer Experience Center. In this video, we will learn how to set up consumption notifications. Access the Cisco Software Central and click on the menu in the top left corner. Select License and then View My Consumption. In this new page, select the three dots and then select Consumption Notification. Here, select the boxes next to your preferred options. In this example, I will set up a 30 days before anniversary date notification. You can also include additional recipients of this notification in this field. Then click Save. On your selected period, you will receive a communication like this example via email. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.